I'm holding my guard. Come in, I have my pak here. I'm going to release again. My gan, clear the stick, strike the hand, strike the elbow, strike the face.
Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is on Wing Chun stick fighting, incorporating the double gan sao. Before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes and please click like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
So utilizing Wing Chun with stick fighting, and just a little cross comparison with this in the Kali, but being able to just change out your blades for your sticks and utilize it to train with. So we're going to work with, from a closed position, we're going to deal with a backhand and a round strike. All right, so I'm going to face Keith here. We're going to be cross-armed. I'm in my Wing Chun guard. He's going to shoot the backhand, which I'm going to use, you know what, it's a guan, it's a stick. I'm going to use a pak here. So again, when that comes in, I'm going to work my through as my pak. He's going to come with a round punch. I'm going to release here and do a double gan. From here, I'm going to pass 1, 2. I'm going to strike the wrist, strike the elbow, strike the face. So again, I'm holding my guard. Come in, I have my pak here. I'm going to release again. My gan, clear the stick, strike the hand, strike the elbow, strike the face. So in here, it's going to be a pak, a release to a gan, a pak, a strike, and a strike, right out of the butterfly sword form from the Gandao section. So again, working my way through. I have my pak, my double gan. I clear from here as my first strike, my second strike, and my third strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.